What a beautiful day! So much to explore. Look at me. Hi there. I wonder what animal I'll find first. Oh, a monkey. Wow, they have tails. That's right. Monkeys are primates that can live on the ground or high up in trees. Most of them even have tails to help with balance. We should go say hi to the cows. These mammals have big eyes and floppy ears. Did you know cows love company? They're very social and live in big groups called herds. Look at the rhino. It has thick, leathery skin and 1 or 2 horns on its nose. Rhinos are huge, plant-eating animals with tough skin and 1 or 2 horns on their noses. You can find them in Africa and Asia. Look how big the elephant is. Elephants are the largest land animals. Their big ears keep them cool, and their trunks work like super tools for smelling, drinking, and picking things up. Did you know a baby elephant can weigh up to 12 pounds at birth? That's heavier than a bag of dog food. Wow! The horse is such a fast runner. It can gallop up to 40 miles per hour. People have used them for riding and work for thousands of years. That's a hippopotamus. Hippos spend most of the day in rivers and lakes to stay cool. But don't be fooled. They can run really fast on land too. I want to be just like the cheetah. When cheetahs run, their paws don't touch the ground. They're the champions of speed, reaching up to 75 miles per hour. Their black tear-like marks help them focus while running. What's that sound? Ah, it's a baby panda eating. Pandas spend sometimes up to 12 hours a day munching on bamboo. Their powerful jaws make crunching bamboo easy. They're known as the clowns of the jungle, but they're really good at being fierce when they need to be. I think I hear a lion. The lion is called the king of the jungle, but they actually live in grassy savannas. They're part of the big cat family, just behind the tiger in size. I wonder who could be behind me. It's a polar bear. Polar bears may look white, but their fur is actually transparent. They spend lots of time on sea ice hunting seals. Wow, that's a woolly sheep. Sheep have excellent memories and can recognize faces, both sheep and humans. They also make different sounds to communicate. I love the parrot's colorful feathers. Parrots are known for their bright feathers, from green and blue to red and yellow. Some can even mimic human voices. Do you know a parrot that can talk? Let us know in the comments. Come meet the pigs. This little piglet is a baby pig. Piglets weigh just over 2 pounds at birth, but they can already recognize their mother's voice within 2 weeks. That's how they call her. He. I bet this raccoon has some tasty snacks hidden away. Raccoons are clever too. Their nimble hands can open latches and even twist open jars. If you see one in the wild, don't try to feed it. They're perfectly capable of finding their own food. Wow! Look at that zebra. Zebras stay safe in groups, using their black and white stripes to confuse predators while running fast. The dogs sense danger with their super hearing and sense of smell. Dogs are amazing mammals with sharp teeth, an incredible sense of smell, and great hearing. They can be big or small, fluffy or smooth, but they're always loyal friends. Did you know there are more than 340 breeds of dogs? How many do you know? I love going to the zoo and seeing all the different kinds of animals. Look, a koala. Koalas live in Australia. They may be called koala bears, but they're actually marsupials. Their favorite thing to do is to climb into trees and eat yummy eucalyptus leaves. Did you know giraffes are the tallest animals on land? Giraffes have special names for their spots. just like you have special names for your friends. Their long necks have 7 bones, just like ours, and their tongues can be almost 20 inches long. That's about as tall as a 2-year-old kid. Stop and think. What's that bird doing on its one leg? It's a flamingo standing on one leg to save energy. Flamingos get their pink color from food like shrimp and algae. Do you know what this bird is? Owls are nocturnal birds that sleep during the day. They're excellent hunters and can fly silently. Did you know a group of owls is called a parliament? Barn owls even have a heart-shaped face to help them hear better. Whoa! Donkey Kong. Donkeys are smaller relatives of horses, but just as strong. They've helped humans carry loads for centuries. They have padded feet to help them walk safely on rocky roads. I love riding on a big woolly sheep. Young sheep are called lambs, and their wide vision, almost 300 degrees, lets them see behind them without turning their heads. Isn't that neat? There are lots of sheep in the middle. All the sheep are wearing red and blue colors. Wow, it's a gorilla. Gorillas live in families led by a powerful silverback male. They're so smart. They even use tools to get food. Chimpanzees and bonobos are also great at using tools. Bonobos use sticks to fish for termites. Chimpanzees crack nuts with rocks. Did you know a chimp can recognize itself in the mirror? I found an adorable raccoon. Raccoons are clever too. Their nimble hands can open latches and even twist open jars. Some raccoons even learn to turn on electric lights to find tasty snacks. The funniest animal. Thanks for watching, friends. Which animal fact surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to @Kids Step by Step for more fun learning. See you next time.